if we are all having our own individual experiences, how come we are having a common experience? Like, say, sitting in this room and listening to you.
If we are all having our own individual experiences, how come we are having a common experience, like, say, sitting in the room and listening to you? When you have a dream at night, in the dream, 20 people are sitting around a table and having a discussion. Somebody says, that we are dreaming. They say, who is dreaming? We are 20 people sitting here. You say, we are dreaming? We who are 20 of us dreaming to create this discussion on the table? And there's a big ruckus about this, big debate going on. Who is dreaming out of the 20 to have a dream? And you wake up. Only one was dreaming. What about the others? They were part of the dream. Only one wakes up. No matter how many people are in the dream. You may have 1,000 people in the dream. When you wake up, only one will wake up. Not thousands. They were part of the dream. It's absolutely true here also. All the people are part of the creation here, part of the experience here. When you wake up, these people won't be there. All of them won't be there. No, some will be there. Why? Because when you dream, out of 20 people sitting on the table, you were dreaming, 10 you know they are good friends. When you wake up, 10 are there. Other 10 were only part of the dream. Therefore, you have selectively picked up something from a higher awareness and put it into dream and created something for the dreamer only. 20 people were there in the dream. When you woke up, 10 friends are still sitting there. And that's how you had a dream about the table and sitting. But 10 more you created for the dream. Supposing you say 10 people are more real. Are they more real in the dream? Yes, because when you wake up, they are still there. That means even their influence in the dream was more real than the 10 created only for the dream, because when you wake up, they are still alive. They are also at the higher level. Then you wake up again and find only 2 of them are there out of those 10. Others disappeared. So the 8 who were awake, then you woke up, have also disappeared. So 2 are even more real. Because they were in the dream, they were in the wakeful state, they were in the higher state after wakefulness. Then you wake up again and find the reality, only you and your master are there. Therefore, master was more real all the time, even right up to the physical plane. This level of reality of the experiences of human beings or people we experience is only revealed when we wake up successively. Therefore, when you say that is an individual experiencing? Not an individual person. Individual person is part of the dream. On the table, 20 people who were sitting in the dream, the one who was saying is it a dream is not in the body that's sleeping. The dream body. When he wakes up in a different body altogether. Similarly, when we are seeing all the crowd of people sitting here and wake up, we won't be in this body which we are talking about. It's another body in which we find that this body was created exactly for a physical experience. And we have something different for that wakeful experience. For each wakeful experience, we have a different form. And that is why that form is not related to the form that we are using in the body. It has some similarities, but not complete similarity. The dream body moves fast, follows different laws of nature. The dream body can fall from a building and not get hurt. So many people have tried it. In their dreams, they don't get hurt. In this, you get hurt. In the dream body, you can be here in Austin 1 minute, in Chicago next minute, looks normal. Nobody has ever questioned in a dream, why am I suddenly here? If this happened here, you would question it. The laws of nature in a dream are different from the laws of nature in wakeful state, and the laws of nature in the astral stage are different from the laws of nature of the physical stage. Each stage has its own laws. Therefore, when you say an individual creates, it's not the human being creating it. You can't create anything. Try to create a flower here. You can't do it. Imagination is also sometimes difficult. So the creation is taking place from another form altogether, not from where we are sitting here. These are all parts of the creation we have done in a form which is sleeping. Wake up and see that form.